My name is Hubert Devnish. I'm a linguist. I study the indigenous languages of the Caribbean. One of them is Lokono. When I think Lokono or Arawak, I think water. That means Tapakuma, Mainstay, Kapui, Mashabo, Iterabisi, or lakes in an area where Arawak used to be spoken. The Lokono historically occupied the coastal areas of Guyana and the lower reaches of its rivers. And when I think a second time of Lokono, both the language and its people, I think of a man, Uncle Kunu. His real name, Cecil Fredericks, and a fabled place of Lokono language and culture, Wakapau. In the Mainstay Tapakoma area of Essequibo, Guyana, in 2005, only 4 or 5 speakers of Lokono could be found amongst the several thousand ethnic Lokono who lived in the area. And one of these was Uncle Kunu. The problem was, how did we manage, or how could we manage to get to him, to hear him speak? That's the story you'll hear about. Uncle Kunu was a mysterious man. He lived by himself on land far away from the nearest Arawak or Lokono settlement in Tapakuma. On Saturday mornings, he would row his boat down the creek to a place called Red Lock. There, he would tie his boat, offload the cassava he reaped from his farm, and he would get transport to Anna Regina Market, where he would sell off his produce. We went to the Anna Regina Market looking for the mysterious Uncle Kunu. We found him in a rum shop. He agreed to come outside and to be interviewed.
In Arawak. Man, let me, you go see, I got to, first of all, I got to make an introduction.
Go on.
You ready? Okay, well, the English works. Go for stop here. Waman Nikada. Hey da. Wa iranabe Osada school moro. Well, that means they will have better access than we had in our young days. Yes. School moro, no fada. Hamarong namarita. Kena? Alright. Kya fa bari? Wamaneka koro boda. Kena washikada wa iranabe da school moro also. Hey da. In English?
You can answer anyone.
Okay. Well, my mother and my father is Arawak. So I have known Arawak from youth. Yes. So it's not something that I will have to learn. Both of us spend more time with mothers. And my mother speaks every day through in Arawak.
To you?
Yes.
They don't speak no other language? Just Arawak?
Yes, my father was very educated, man, but he don't talk Arawak to us. No, that is a part of failure to us because he knows so much of good Arawak and he doesn't speak it to us. But the old lady, because we children just be with the mothers all the time, right? So I get the Arawak through the mother. Every day, so I could speak the Arawak now. Yeah.
Tell me in Arawak.
Eh?
Tell me the same story, just tell me it in Arawak.
For your mother and father.
But your mother and your father also.
Okay, Dachi, kena doyo, kanda, Lokono beda. Kena, tra Lokono, wa akakuhuda, kena, papa kanda, osakoba, emekebun. Plataku, wamanisha, bare wabo, plataku, wamunisha. That means we are very poor. Our people, you know, very poor. Kaya bari, tomorrow, daita bari, school moro sa, kena, Chokotokan.
Wakapau is a Lokono or Arawak community on the Wakapau Creek, which is a tributary to the Pomeroon River in Essequibo, Guyana. We were told everywhere we went, if you want to hear Lokono spoken even by children, go to Wakapau. Wakapau, we heard, was the heartland of Lokono language and culture. So I sent one of our research students to Wakapau, Deidre Smith, to find out. There she meets Mrs. Thomas, a native Lokono speaker, who took her on a journey through the Lokono language and its culture.
What's the word for fire? Hiki. Hiki. Hiki or hiki. Hiki. You know? Okay. Hiki or hiki. So suppose I want to say my fire. Oh. When you say my fire, that's Daihime. Daihime. He is in the farm. He is in his farm right now. How would I say that? Karu Lakuwanda Kokai. Right? He is in his farm right now.
Iterabisi, Mainstay, Mashabo, Kapui, Tapakuma, and oh so few speakers of the Lokono language left. As these Lokono villages of the Essequibo coast sleep on the sides of these lakes, so too does the language. Are we seeing and hearing the permanent silencing of a tongue? I don't know. What do you think?